Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install new starter pawls in your Lawn Mower's recoil starter. On my starter, beneath the pawls, there are some small springs. Now I can remove the pulley from the starter housing. I'll be careful as I do this to make sure that the spring comes free from the housing and doesn't uncoil. Now I can unwind the rope from the pulley and remove it. Now I can install the pulley back into the starter housing. I'll attach the hook on the end of the spring to the tab on the starter housing. Now reinstall the Pawl springs. They slide over the posts on the starter pulley. The pawls slide over the posts and springs on the starter pulley, one on each side. I'll secure the pawls and the rest of the components with the cap and screw. And now I can reinstall the rope onto the starter. Now I need to tension the recoil spring. To do that, I'll rotate the pulley counterclockwise. I'll give it about 4 to 6 full turns. Now to hold the pulley in place, I'll insert a small screwdriver through the openings in the starter housing and between the spokes on the pulley. Now I'll insert the rope through the opening in the pulley and through the opening in the housing. I'll pull the rope through until the knot rests against the pulley, and I'll make sure it's out of the way down in the cup. Now I'll again tie a temporary knot in the middle of the rope and carefully remove the screwdriver. Now I can reinstall the pole. I'll insert the rope through the handle and out the top. And I'll tie a knot on the end of the rope. I'll untie the temporary knot that I tied in the center of the starter rope. And I'll carefully allow the rope to recoil back into the starter.